In this episode, we're going to learn about one of the 5 regions of Virginia, the Blue Ridge Mountain region. In our last episode, we talked about the Piedmont region, which has hills, the capital, and Monticello. There are 5 regions in Virginia that have their own fun features, and in this 5-part series, we're going to learn about each one. In this episode, we are going to learn about the next region called the Blue Ridge Mountain region. The Blue Ridge Mountain is to the west of the Piedmont region. The Blue Ridge Mountains have old, round mountains. In the Blue Ridge Mountains, you will find many rivers as well as apple farms. So now that we know a little bit more about the Blue Ridge Mountain region, let's see if you can tell what belongs in this region. I wonder if we could find apple farms in the Blue Ridge Mountains. What do you think? You're right, we can find apple farms in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I wonder if we could find the naval shipyard in the Blue Ridge Mountains. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find a naval shipyard in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I wonder if we would find rivers in the Blue Ridge Mountain region. What do you think? You're right, we would find rivers in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I wonder if we could find the capital in the Blue Ridge Mountains. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find the capital in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I hope you liked this episode on the Blue Ridge Mountain region. Check out my other videos on the 5 regions of Virginia. And don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.